Welcome to our channel. Today we how to log into Barclays credit card easy access step by step clearly. To begin, open your preferred web browser. In the address bar, type in the URL for Barclays credit card login. Press the enter key on your keyboard to navigate to the site. Once the page loads, locate the login section. You will see fields for your username and password. Enter your username in the designated field. Next, input your password in the corresponding box. Double-check that both entries are correct to avoid any login issues. After verifying your credentials, look for the Login button. Click the Login button to proceed. If your details are accurate, you will be directed to your account dashboard. In case of a forgotten password, click on the Forgot Password link. Follow the prompts to reset your password securely. If you're a new user, look for an option to register for online access. Follow the instructions to set up your account. Once logged in, you can view your credit card details and transactions. If you encounter any issues, check your internet connection. You can also contact Barclays customer support for assistance. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.